Okay. Se uko wechi kakra. Se obi ye young musician and answer young gospel musician or a young person who tiu or who se wo sa adoma chede ne bi or talent bi sa woni mu a wono so pese da achi oba nyame fa ne so edebon efutu be na wo de be say say na wo kan na woni mo bia until say wo twen nyame anim e ma obi be knock on your door frɛ wo ma wo ko machire wo nya the inspiration of the Holy Spirit say wo ko solo obi tie o sa abre wo hu so wado ma chede wo hu say wo voice na wo trotro songs bebre but ono a wo hu de wonye ne ho oni producer oni obia efutu be na de be ma say nipa.
Okay, Mama Kaiche na don't trim bien nyame.
Okay.
Because they would have made no. Now I was singing, all right. I was singing in churches. I was doing worship in my own church and other places. But now, till I went before God in fasting and prayer.
Okay, what change me?
There, Abadino Pedameye. That was the prayer I prayed. So, Father, what do you want me to do with what I am doing now? And so, 3 days in the third day no man no day we be worship and from there no do hunde no chede or you be mo botonium but mambo the me famous crowd no ponyi ho there but this time no otu yipa ko no for there onyi na adwene mfife mu do
se mo pese wo gidi
onyi na adwene mfido no mo ye God chaser
on hwehwe nyame
yes on chase nyankopon no mfi there e bia me pede me yanyum na me nye fame ana nkofo gibogim do dabi. It's about God.
Onyame no odi atoma chede ne ma no na prehwehwe no na ono nche baby afafa
yes
na mom no men chase fame
dabi
ana popularity
because we about people na bia sunsum konkon am beat for the song but sisi na ehwe yen genzi sisi no oye boom 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 or there ekwa start there so nti bo na bia edu studio no manyame kada ye no na wo so akete obi na adan no there me pede me beat no ya dza na bi no woye there what's the beat be no way you do ko studio me pede me Newman na put the me beat but ni bi so amponyame ze nyum no one for them beat na mo be more different beats nti on concentrate on nyame na Ewurade baman akwankyere
on pursue nyame on hwehwe nyame na nyame na bema na kwankyere dan se obema ho kwan ma obi abefra ne ye sei menya beat bi ha betimi aboa amo aye popular
se wa ma hene nyum to na ahoden nyum bio tumi anyim bio no because
nyame tumi ne yekire
say an nyame ngi anyum I'm telling you it's about
me pese me gidi pese ye temenka eti nyame na odi adoma chede ne man wo yi na firi mu kura
sisi ano so goes e kana kaka be nya samo
but the wo pese onyame ne no ekọ journey for a long time no on hwehwe nyame na on hwehwe ne direction
papa
na nyame na abekire no
to another ho
wow.
This is what I'm trying to say.
Wow.
Unless you acknowledge even your angels. No, a Christopher number no. We don't acknowledge our angels. So the angels will when you man. And a pastor, Father, as I can Psalm 91, what's there? They that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High, they shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. And I will say of the Lord that He is my refuge
and my strength,
and my fortress, a God in whom that I trust. Surely the Lord will deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the perilous pestilence. He shall cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you shall take refuge. And His truth is your shield and buckler. You shall not be afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrows that flies by day, nor of the pestilence that walks in darkness, nor the destructions that lays waste at noonday. 1,000 shall fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but they shall not come near you. But only with your eyes we shall look and see the reward of the wicked, because we have made the Lord, who is our refuge, even the Most High, our dwelling place. And no evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near you. For the Lord will command His angels to take charge of you. So there, when you get there, and say, the Father, I acknowledge my angels this morning. I welcome them into this day. Wherever I'm going, I know they are with me, because I've already commanded them to be with me. So they are with us. They will carry you in their hands, and they will bear you up in their hands. least you dash your foot against the stone.
And
you shall tread upon the lion and the cobra, the young lion and the serpent you shall trample on the foot. But because you have set your love upon me, say, I the Lord will deliver you. I will set you up on high because you've known my name, and you shall call upon me, and I the Lord will answer. I will be with you in trouble. I will deliver you and honor you with long life. I will satisfy you and show you my salvation. So they are doing all these things as we are praying those prayers. It's the angels that do those works. See, we must always acknowledge them. Acknowledge when they are just there.
Yeah.
Why them angel? Why?
Or see, you have commanded your angels to guard over me.
Yes.
What's small?
They are there with us.
One shame so. Say the baby me 9 MP. Now one so me mu. One famine call. It's yen acknowledge you. So one kind of when you small one say, one best so me.
I better no first say, but I'm a pen. So I say, Raddy, I thank you for the angels assigned tonight to watch over me, because every house, every home, every family, they have an angel that keeps the family. Busuabia will angel cry.
Onyamia so so one share busuabia so.
Busuabia will angel. Busuabia
33 years. Also so to over 66. It what chemutu no half. Half no what so far.